Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about the animation tool Synfig chapter number 2. I have made some MCQs. We are discuss about this today. Okay. Now already we have discussed about the all authoring tools. One is the card or page based tool, icon and event based tool, and the time based tool. Also, we have seen about the pencil. Pencil is a 2D animation software for creating the any different type of the drawing animation. Next one is the Synfig Studio. It is the multi time-based authoring tool. Okay, it's the first release in the 2005, and it is the 2D vector animation. Is the first version was the 0.61.05. The latest one is the 0.60.05. Okay, and the Synfig stores animation is the XML extensible markup language file format, often compressed using the compression software. This is with the stands for the GNUZ. Okay, and extension is the .sifz. Synfig animation extension is the .sifz. How to start this when the getting the started? The first start the application, graphics, and the Synfig. You can also run in the Windows operating system. Actually, it is the part of the Linux operating system, but we can run in the Linux Windows also. Now we have discussed about the all toolbox in the previous lectures. All toolbox, there are the three types of the palettes or upper palette, middle palettes, and the lower palette. Also, we have discussed about the canvas screen, about the foreground and the background color, brush sizes, blend method, opacity, gradient, about all panels like the layout panel, forum panel, tool options panel, navigator history panel, about the caret, and the next one is the tools like a circle tool, how to create the circle in the canvas window, how to fill the colors, how to move this, what is the use of the transform tool, what is the use of the smooth move tool, about all ducks like the green duck, the position of the duck, it is used for blue duck for the radius of the circle, orange is for the vertices, yellow is for the curve, and the dark blue is the rotation to change the angle in a star. Okay, now next one is the rectangle tool. Also we have seen about all the features we have seen star and polygon. Also we have discussed about the beeline tool beginning to end. It is using for the beeline tool is used to make the objects with any number of points and curves. Okay, draw tool to drawing for something, fill tool, eyedrop tool, all gradient tool. There are the four types of the gradient we have discussed in this chapter: linear, radial, spiral, and conical. Okay, zoom tool also we have discussed, width tool, transform tool, okay, scale tool, and rotate tool. So in this chapter, we learn about the authoring styles and all types. We have discussed all things. Now we are starting the MCQs. Already we have chapter 1 MCQs. Already we have discussed it. Chapter number 2, animation tool, Synfig, filling the blank. Number 1, the element organized as a page of a base or a pile of cards in which of the following form? Answer is the card or page based tool. Second, which of the following tools helps in changing the color of the object? Answer is the fill tool. Third one, Synfig Studio represents which of the following type of the authoring tool? Answer is the time-based authoring tool. Question number 4. Which of the following terms represent the number of a palettes toolbox window separated into 3 layers? Okay, there are the 3 palettes, upper palette, middle palette, and the lower palette. So there are the 3 palettes separated into the toolbox. Next one, 5. Which of the following extension of a file created in the Synfig Studio? The extension of this file is the .sifz. It's the default extension of this file. Number 6, which of the following panel shows the currently selected layer panel? It's a param panel. Okay, we have discussed about this all things. What is the use of the param panel? It's a param panel. It shows the currently selected layer parameters. If you are, all things when we are working in the Synfig Studio, all will convert it into the layer. Okay, so it shows the currently selected the layer parameters. When the multiple layers are selected, only the parameters that are common in the selected layers are displayed. Next one is the number 7. Which of the following represent the color of the duck used to change the radius of the circle? So answer is the blue. Next one, number 8. Which of the following tool is used to make objects with a number of point and curve? It is the beeline tool. It is called the beeline tool. Why we are using the beeline tool? It is the use to make the objects with any number of point and curve. So that time we are using the beeline tool. Number 9. Which of the following tool is used to create smoke transitions between two or more colors in an object? It is using for the gradient. Okay. Already we have discussed about this all four gradients: linear, conical, spiral, and radial. Okay. Next one is the number 10. Which of the following gradient produces simple transition in a straight line? Simply when you drag in a single line. So it is called, the answer is the linear. So the linear, this produces the simple transition in a straight line. Set the foreground and background colors. Okay, when you begin and drag the line, you can see in the one position. The gradient will be created the perpendicular to the line and the drag out. Next one is the number 11, author web or icon author. Example of each of the following types of tool. It is called the icon and the even base tool. Number 12, which of the following animation software lets you create a traditional hand-drawn animation? So it is answer is the pencil. Pencil is the 2D animation software when we have create something, drawing. So that time we are using the pencil animation software. It's a create the traditional hand-drawn animation using both bitmap and vector graphics. And you can easily download it. The website is the www.pencilanimation.org. You can also operating in the Linux, Windows, and the Mac OS X. Okay, you can create good animation in this software. Which of the following are the two more important parameter of the circle layer? The answer is the center and radius. The circle tool is used to create the new circle layer. Circle layers are used to represent the circles, and the circle has the two important parameters, center and the radius. It is the important MCQs. Next one is the 14 number. Which of the following term represent the handle used to control some parameters of the layer? So answer is the pan off. Number 15. The duck used to change the position of the object has which of the following colors? So answer is the green. Why we are using the green duck? It is used for the position of the duck. If you want to move here to there, so first you have to click on the transform tool, then click on the particular object. Okay, and then you can drag here and there. So it is using for the green duck. Next one, 16. The layer visibility is controlled by which of the following operation? It is called the opacity. Opacity. It's control the layer visibility. 0 means the layer is invisible, and the 1 means the layer is the visible. Okay. So 0 means invisible, and the 1 is the visible. It is used by the control by the opacity. Next one, 17. Which of the following tools allow you to enter the text in the creating text layer? Text tool. Okay, if you want to write something on the canvas window, if I want to write the HBK school, HB Kapadia school, okay, in the canvas window. So first I have to select the text box button from the toolbox. Then you will see on the screen one text box will property will be open. You have to write that anything. Okay, if I write the HBK school, and then it automatically converted into the show in the canvas window, but automatically it will be converted into the text layer. Number 80, how many types are authoring tools? Already I have told you there are the three types of the authoring tool. One is the card or page based tool. Second one is the icon and event based tool, and the third one is the time based tool. Like an example of the hypercard or multimedia toolbox. There are the example of the card or page based tool. Like the time based authoring tool means Synfig Studio, Pencil software, Flash animation, director. There are the different type of the animation software. It is the going to time authoring based tool. Okay, and the next one is the time based. Icon and even way. It is using for the author tool and the icon tool. So nowadays the time-based authoring tool are most popular than among us all. Okay. Next one is the what is the example of the icon or page-based tool? Already we have discussed about this. Hypercard in multimedia toolbox are the example of card and the page-based tool authoring tool. Next one, what are the example of the icon even based tool? The author and icon authoring example and the event based authoring tool. Next one is the time based tool. It is the Synfig, Pencil, Flash, Director. There are the different type of the 2D animation software. It is the using for the time based tool. Next one, 22. What is the 2D animation software that lets you create the traditional hand-drawn animation using bitmap and graphic? Already I explained about this all things in the pencil software. It is the 2D animation software for the vector and the bitmap graphic. You can draw your own choices. Okay, it is good for drawing purpose. So it is the and you can easily download it www.pencil.org. That's the website's name. And you can also run in the software like a Linux operating system, Windows, and the Mac OS X. Next one is the 23. What is the time-based multimedia authoring tool that falls in the category of the open source? So it is the Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a time-based multimedia authoring tool that falls in the category of the open source. Okay, you can also easily download it. The website is the www.synfig.org and it is also 2D vector animation software. The first version is the sorry. Next one, Synfig Studio Animation released in the 2005 year. Okay. Next one, GPL, full form of the GPL. It is called the General Public License. Next one, what is the first version of the Synfig? Synfig first version was 0.61.05. And the next one, the latest one is the 0.63.05. Now the full form of the XML, Extensible Markup Language. It is the important MCQ, which is it is the using for the extensible markup language. It is the file format. It is the Synfig stores animation XML. It is the file format, and it often compressed using the compression software. gzip, which stands for the GNU zip. Next one is the what is the main window which contains system menu and the tools to create and edit your artwork? It is called the toolbox. It is called the toolbox. Next one, number 30. Which tool are useful when you want to give a message that a beginning and end? It is called the time-based tool. It is called the time-based authoring tool. Next one, 31. Which website is using to download the Synfig? www www.synfig.org. Next one, Synfig software was released in 2005 under the GNU GPL. Number 33, which format is used to save Synfig file? XML. The format is the XML and the extension is the .si as well. Number 34, what is the main window of the Synfig? It is called the toolbox. Without toolbox, we cannot do anything. Number 35, which windows include system menu and the tools to create and edit your artwork? It is called the toolbox. It is also toolbox. Answer is number 36. How many palettes in the toolbox windows? There are the 3 palettes, upper, middle and lower. Number 37. Name of the toolbox palette. Upper palette, middle palette and lower palette. How many tools in the middle palette? Number 18. There are the 18 tools in the middle palette. You can count this. Number 39. Which tool is used to create smooth transitions between 2 or more colors in an object? And the answer is the gradient tool. Number 40. How many types of the gradient? There are the 4 types: linear, radial, conical and spiral. Number 41. In which gradient click where you want the gradient to begin and end, where you want to transition, and the answer is the linear. Number 42. The gradient tool will be created perpendicular to the line you drag in the liner. The answer is the linear. Answer is the linear gradient. Number 43. In which tool we can edit the gradient by moving the and pointing in any direction? The answer is the normal tool. Number 44. Which rod is circular colors with the transitions? Answer is the radial. Answer is the radial. Number 45. In the which tool we have to click where the center of the circles to be and draw to set the radius of the transitions? The answer is the radial. Number 46. Which tool has the appearance of the looking down on the top of a cone? The answer is the conical. Number 47. In which gradient we have to click the set of the center of the spiral and draw it to set of the tightness? The answer is the spiral. 48. Which tool is used to insert the text? Answer is the text tool. 49. Using which panel we can change the enter the text letter on the according to our need? The answer is the parameter panel. Number 50. By default besides the selected, by which mean that the text will be centered around the point you click on? 0.5. Next one, 51. On which tool is used to get a close or far away view of the objects in the working area? Answer is the zoom tool. Okay. Next one, 52. Which tool is used to get the closer or far away? Same answer. The answer is the zoom tool. And the which tool does the affect the result? The answer is also zoom tool. Number 54. Which tools help to increase or decrease the width of a line? If you want to increase or decrease the line width, so we are using the width tool. Number 55. Which act like the way you are a pencil to make a line thicker or easier to make it thinner? So answer is the width tool. Number 56. Which key is used to decrease the width while moving the cursor? Answer is the control key. Number 57. Which tool allows you to select objects and move to rotate or scale the task? So answer is the transform tool. Number 58. Which tool is used to fine tune the line width? Answer is same. Also width tool we are using. And the scale tool is used similar with the smooth move tool. 60. The which tool if we drag one of the selected, the other selected will also move along with it? Answer is the smooth move tool. Number 61. Which key is used to select multiple ducks? Control A. Control A is using to select the multiple duck. एक साथ में select करने के लिए multiple ducks को select करने के लिए we are using the control A. Next one, 62. Which tool is similar to the smooth move tool? The transform tool. Okay. Transform tool is similar with the smooth move tool. Which tools allow to change the size? Transform tools allow to change the size. You can increase or decrease the size of the image or any object. Number 64, smooth move tools work as the dash. So it is used like the transform tool. Already I explained about those all features. Smooth move tools work and the transform tool works. Both are similar. Number 65, in which tool when we select multiple duck and drag on the selected one of the other. This skill related to the center of the selected group. The answer is the rotate. Here we are using the rotate tool for if you want to moving the angle of the 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. So that time first you have to select by the transform tool, then mouse right click, select the rotate tool, and you will see on the screen the blue, it will be converted into the blue dot. When it will converted into the blue dots, now you can rotate your image or any pictures or any objects. Next thing, number 66, in the which panel we can also zoom in and move the focus around. The answer is the parent panel. It is called also the parameters panel. Number 67, which panel keeps track of all the actions that are done while editing of the file. The answer is the tool option panel. Number 68. In which column is used to disable specific actions without going through the entire action list? Answer is the checkbox. Number 69. FPS means frame per second. Frame per second. When we are working in the synthetic animation, we are working in the canvas window, when we are creating any animations, that time the FPS are working. The default FPS is 24 per second. Number 70, which menu option is used to open the synthetic file property window? It is the caret edit property. 71, how many important parameters of the circle? Center and radius is the important parameter of the circle. Number 72, who controls the layer visibility? Answer is the brush size. Number 73, who set the size of the line for new offline layers? Answer is the opacity. Number 74, who determines the manner in which the parameter changes? Interpolation. 75, when you open a new file or creating a new project, you will see the canvas window. When we are creating a new file, you can see on the screen the canvas window will be blank, and then we can do any work. Number 76, which is the place where you display your artwork or creating animation? Answer is the canvas window. Number 77, how many menus are there when we open the canvas menu? Answer is the 8. There are the 8 menus in the canvas menu. Number 78, we can also see which appears only when you have non-zero duration in the setting dialog box. Timeline. Answer is the timeline. Number 79, when multiple layers are selected, only the parameters that are common in the selected layer are displayed in which panel? It is called the parameters or the param panel. Number 80, we show options that are specific to currently selected tool. Answer is the tool option panel. Number 81, image of the currently selected canvas look like, it is called the navigator. Number 82, we shows the layer of the current working canvas. Answer is the layer panel. 83, the two windows on the bottom of the right are the customizable dialog. Answer is the duck. There are the different type of the ducks: blue, yellow, green, orange. They all have their own parameters. 84, which tool is used to make objects with the number of points and curves? It is called the beeline tool. Number 85, which tools allow you to select colors from the work area. It is called the eye drop area. Eye drop 2. Number 86. Which tools allow you to select objects and do move, rotate and scale the ducts? Answer is the transform tool. Number 87. What is the handle that is used to some parameters of the layer? So answer is the duct. Number 88. Which duct is used to position of the objects? The answer is the green duct. Number 89. Which duct is used to radius of the circle? The answer is the blue duct. Number 90. What is used to change the angle in a star? Answer is the dark blue. Okay, students. Today we have completed chapter number 2 MCQs. All theory already we have discussed about this all things. Thank you all.